What is up, guys? So today I walk outside and there's boxes of stuff waiting that I opened up real quick. So I figured I'd show you guys what just came in, and what do you know? Motul sending us our monthly package of gear oil and oils. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the big man here and let him know we got some stuff coming in. Hey!
What's up?
You got something.
Oh shit. Did stuff come in?
Oh, there's a lot more than a t-shirt. Hey, Zeus. Zeus, say out of the vlog. It's in the behind the sui.
Oh, cool.
I was leaving and I saw it. Oh yeah, because you were working. So.
Awesome. Sweet. Motul, you guys, our sponsors, we want to give them a big shout out. This is so cool. Every so often we just get these boxes. We got all of our oil in here. 300V,
Yeah,
1550.
Gear oils in that box. Actually, I didn't really go through it.
Sweet. Yep. Oh yeah, awesome. Yep, we got gear oil. What else? This is cool. We need this. This is all the tranny. Yep, this is all the transmission fluid. Big shout out. Thank you so much to Motul.
Wait,
These guys.
and I saw the most important part.
What's that?
Stickers.
Yeah, stickers. These add 5 horsepower.
That's why he has that big of a Motul sticker on his car. That's what gave him 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah. This is so cool. Well, thanks, Motul. I want to thank Eric too. Motul USA in California. Big shout out to them. Hope you guys come hang out with us today at the shop. I know you're working on what? You got an S13 you're doing?
Yeah, today I'm doing a wide body on an S13 vert. My friend Devin and his girlfriend Abby are building it together. So you guys will be there with me while I actually chop it up and put an origin kit on it.
Cool. We'll be bringing the GTR to the shop too, so make sure you guys hang out with us. Thanks so much, everybody, for all the support. I know we keep saying it, but you guys are awesome.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video at RB Power. Today we have our friend Devin bringing in his girlfriend's car. As you know, we've worked on this vert before. We did a KBD style kit, right? Well, KBD origin style kit? Or which one is it? I don't know.
It's KBD.
Okay. Full polyurethane kit, and today he brought in origin, correct?
Yep.
All right. Origin front and rear over fenders on this very nice vert. This is actually his girlfriend's car, which is cool. He's got a 370Z. That's pretty badass. As you can see, these fenders are very wide. These are not the wheels we're going to be running. The rear fenders are back there somewhere. I'm sure you can see them. So basically, you guys are going to be with us today as I chop open this S13 and get it nice and wide. Stay tuned. Okay, so first step I like doing with these fenders, so this has nothing to do necessarily with, what's the best way to put this, doing this a million times. I just have done it so much where I kind of already know where everything needs to line up. So basically what I like doing is taping everything where it needs to sit. Obviously with S13s I feel like it's a little bit easier, you got more points to bolt everything down. So first thing you want to mark nice bright Sharpie where the holes are. You could actually do it from the bottom side with the pen and then it'll outline from the top. Or like I said, if you've done this a million and one times, you'll know automatically where the bolts are. Just get like a nice fine drill bit, work your way up. I like actually using bolts with a bit of a bigger washer because everybody knows fiberglass fenders don't always fit perfectly right off the box. So I like to hone out the hole a little bit just to have some, you know, flex or wiggle room. And from there it's really just at that point sanding and a little bit of body work, because the goal for this car is to be just a really fun street car that looks really good, something they can drive in together, cruise in, and just enjoy rather than, you know, typical drift car. So, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just, you know, it's nice to see cleaner S chassis rolling around on the street versus 9 different colors. But everybody's got their own taste, so can't complain. What swap you guys think you're gonna do?
It's probably just gonna get boosted. Boost
Nice.
K first, maybe 2J down the line, but
Little KA. Hell yeah. You're changing the color, right? So like a bluish kind of
Yeah.
color?
baby blue.
Baby
I
blue.
don't- There's nothing that.
Baby blue. What do we got baby blue in here? Maybe like that blanket. No, just kidding. I don't know. Baby blue will look cool. Probably white wheels, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
White base, big stick lips.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright, so the top bolts are on as we explained before. Next, what you want to do is, see if I can get that to focus in there. You have that little tab that bolts up to another tab of the body of the car. That'll allow the fender to sit nice and flush with the door line here, which you can see there's still a bit of a gap. That'll push it in. Obviously, as said before, there's going to be a little bit of body work needed because all fiberglass fenders are never perfect. After that, you come up front. You have this tab here that goes into right here. And then same thing on the other side. We actually mocked up the rear over fender to get an idea of how it'll look, and this thing's going to be pretty wild once it's done. The nice thing about these and, you know, buying good brand name over fenders is, yes, they do need a little bit of work, but they always fit way better than buying replica kits. I get it, not everybody's got money to spend on expensive body kits or fenders and whatnot, but the amount of money you would spend to buy this up front would be exactly what it'd be to buy cheap ones and then get charged for body work. So it's technically the same thing. So buy the better fenders that actually you can see line up really well. This will be flush and sit right under the bumper. Obviously they're going to be molding these fenders in. It's going to be sick. I mean, the car's way wider now than before, as you can see. So, and these were 9.5s and they were poking, and now they look like a stock wheel on here. What's the size you guys are trying to go with for a wheel?
18 by 11.
Cool.
12.
Yeah, it'll fit it. These fenders they're wide. Sweet. Alright, so the front end is done. Fenders are lined up. Little bit of adjusting with the hood and the fender gap there. The side's a little bit bigger than this side. Not too bad, but actually fit pretty freaking good. As you can see, this looks super aggressive. Now the next thing a lot of S13 owners know, you always have issues with this here. That's going to be addressed with the body guy, of course. That's going to get all situated, whether it's shaving a little bit of the bumper down, allowing for more clearance to go in, or adding, maybe getting the Auto Storm Collect fender tabs. We'll see. That's going to be all depending on them. But you can see the hood gap to bumper gap's perfect. This side actually fits a little bit tighter. Otherwise, this looks pretty freaking chunky. Just sucks that I don't have the wheels on it to move it, but yeah, this looks sick. Dude, on camera it looks so wide. Alright, man. We did it. Cut open. This is horrible looking, but it's okay. It'll be worth it. As you guys can see, obviously you cut the first layer, cut this piece off. That's when you do your slits, weld it shut, put some like adhesive, I don't really remember the word for it, basically to prevent water, rust, and build up to go through in the inside of the fender. And yeah, now all I'm waiting to do is just cut this off, fold that up, and then do the other side. And it's ready to go. Alright, so here we are. We are going to begin cutting the back quarter panel. This isn't exactly how it's going to be cut out, but I just kind of put the tape there to maybe get a rough outline. The biggest thing you got to be a little bit careful about is when you're coming around here, you don't want to go too close because then your door cap, you know, might not open, etc. So you want to just come at a smooth angle, work your way up down to the other side, and get to cutting.